Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2017 question 3. This problem involves right-angled triangles, Pythagoras theorem, and a trigonometric ratio. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The question tells us that angle PQR equals 90 degrees and angle PSQ equals 90 degrees. Also, PS equals 9 centimeters, SR equals 16 centimeters, and SQ equals X centimeters. We are asked to find the value of X, then find angle QRS, correct to the nearest degree, and finally find the length PQ. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. Because P, S, and R lie on the same straight line, the full length PR is made up of PS and SR. So, PR equals 25 centimeters. Also, since QS is perpendicular to PR, both triangle PQS and triangle QSR are right-angled at S. The large triangle PQR is also right-angled at Q. Therefore, we can use Pythagoras theorem. To find X, we shall write expressions for PQ squared and QR squared, then use the large right-angled triangle, PQR. First, use triangle PQS. It is right-angled at S. In this triangle, QS equals X, PS equals 9, and PQ is the hypotenuse. So, PQ squared equals X squared plus 81. Next, use triangle QSR. It is also right-angled at S. In this triangle, QS equals X, SR equals 16, and QR is the hypotenuse. So, QR squared equals X squared plus 256. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now use the large triangle, PQR. It is right-angled at Q, so PR is the hypotenuse. We already found that PR equals 25 centimeters. Now substitute PQ squared equals X squared plus 81, and QR squared equals X squared plus 256. Now let us solve for X. So, X equals 12 centimeters. Start with Pythagoras prime theorem. PR squared equals length of PQ squared plus QR squared. Substitute the known side lengths. 25 squared equals X squared plus 81 plus X squared plus 256. 625 equals 2X to the power of 2 plus 337. 625 meters 337 equals 2x to the power of 2. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Therefore, the value of x is 12 centimeters. Now let angle QRS equals theta. This is the angle at R in triangle QSR. In triangle QSR, we now know QS equals 12 centimeters and SR equals 16 centimeters. With respect to angle theta at R, the opposite side is QS and the adjacent side is SR. So we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now substitute QS equals 12 and SR equals 16. So theta equals 36.87 degrees, which is 37 degrees to the nearest degree. Tan of theta equals QS over length of SR. Tan of theta equals 12 over 16. tan of theta equals 3 over 4. Tan of theta equals 0.75. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Therefore, angle QRS equals 37 degrees, correct to the nearest degree. For part C, we need to find PQ. Earlier, from triangle PQS, we found that PQ squared equals x squared plus 81. Since x equals 12, we substitute x equals 12. Length of PQ squared equals x squared plus 81. Substitute the known side lengths. Length of PQ squared equals 12 squared plus 81. Length of PQ squared equals 144 plus 81. Length of PQ squared equals 225. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Therefore, PQ equals 15 centimeters. This framed result is the final answer for the question. To summarize, we first found the full length PR by adding PS and SR. From triangle PQS, we found PQ squared equals x squared plus 81. From triangle QSR, we found QR squared equals x squared plus 256. Using the large triangle PQR, we solved and got x equals 12 centimeters. Then we used tangent to find angle QRS equals 37 degrees. Finally, we substituted x equals 12 to find PQ equals 15 centimeters. These are the final answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.